Deep into the cosmos, the journey of SpaceX X-37b. From Earth's surface to the limitless sky, SpaceX's X-37b has soared, revolutionizing space exploration with its unmatched prowess. In 2010, as nascent as a star, the X-37b was launched, propelling us into a new era of ambitious, uncharted journeys. Mankind's thirst for knowledge fueled the creation of this spacecraft, capable of enduring the hostile environment of outer space. From delivering satellites to carrying out experiments, the multi-purposed X-37b has constantly pushed the boundaries of what's possible in aeronautics. Its resilience amid orbital missions has become a beacon of hope, proving that mankind's reach is limited only by our imagination. As we witness X-37b's evolution, we realize it's more than a spacecraft. It is a symbol of our collective aspirations and dreams. So, as the X-37b ventures deeper into the cosmos, we too journey onward, bolstered by its spirit, into a future filled with endless possibilities.